Are you ready for the Canadian Citizenship Test? Let's find out. On this channel, you'll find everything you need to pass on your first try. In this video, you'll get 20 multiple choice questions, just like the real exam. Pause, answer, and keep track of your score. At the end, let us know in the comments how many you got right. Ready? Let's start your practice test. Question: what is the name of the royal anthem of Canada? A. Great Canada. B. O Canada. C. God Save the Queen or King. D. O Canada. Correct answer: C. God Save the Queen or King. Question: where is Canada located? A. Central America. B. Europe. C. North America. D. South America. Correct answer: C. North America. Question: what was the main advantage of the NAFTA agreement? A. Free trade among Canada, the USA, and Mexico. B. Free trade between Canada and China. C. Free trade between Canada and the UK. D. Free trade between Canada and Japan. Correct answer: A. Free trade among Canada, the USA, and Mexico. Question: what does the crown mean for Canadians? A. A symbol of government, including parliament, courts, police, and armed forces. B. Symbols of England, France, Scotland, and Ireland. C. A national motto meaning from sea to sea. D. A reflection of ancient democratic heritage. Correct answer: A. A symbol of government including parliament, courts, police, and armed forces. Question: what are the provinces of central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec. B. Ontario and Alberta. C. Quebec and New Brunswick. D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. Correct answer: A. Ontario and Quebec. Question: who are the Aboriginal peoples in Canada? A. First settlers of Newfoundland. B. First European settlers. C. Descendants of Australian immigrants. D. First inhabitants of Canada. Correct answer: D. First inhabitants of Canada. Question: who was the first to draw a map of Canada's east coast? A. Jean Talon. B. George Cartier. C. John Cabot. D. Jacques Cartier. Correct answer: C. John Cabot. Question: what does Canada's motto, Amari usque ad mare, mean? A. From air to land. B. From sea to land. C. From land to sea. D. From sea to sea. Correct answer: D. From sea to sea. Question: what are the colors of the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white. B. Red and white. C. Green and white. D. Red and blue. Correct answer: B. Red and white. Question: what is the significance of hockey in Canada? A. National summer sport. B. National winter sport and popular spectator sport. C. Olympic sport only. D. None. Correct answer: B. National winter sport and popular spectator sport. Question: how is the government formed after a federal election? A. Provinces choose. B. Governor General picks. C. Party with most MPs forms government. D. King chooses PM. Correct answer: C. Party with most MPs forms government. Question: which indigenous group is largest in Nunavut? A. Acadians. B. Metis. C. First Nations. D. Inuit. Correct answer, D. Inuit. Did you know our channel offers multiple practice tests designed to feel like the real exam? Test your knowledge and get ready to pass your Canadian Citizenship Test on your first try. Question: when did the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms become part of the Constitution? A. 1892, B. 1872, C. 1982, D. 1782. Correct answer, C. 1982. Question: Canadians have rights such as A. Thought and belief, B. Opinion and expression, C. Freedom of religion, D. All of the above. Correct answer, D. All of the above. Question: what do you promise in the oath of citizenship? A. Carry out responsibilities, B. Pledge allegiance, C. Obey Constitution, D. Loyalty to the King/Queen, obey laws, fulfill duties. Correct answer, D. Loyalty to the King/Queen, obey laws, fulfill duties. Question: what is the voting procedure in Canada? A. Any method, B. Online, C. Secret ballot, D. Open ballot. Correct answer, C. Secret ballot. Question: what is a municipal responsibility? A. Natural resources, B. Currency, C. Garbage removal, D. Highways. Correct answer, C. Garbage removal. Question: which province has the largest Aboriginal population? A. Manitoba, B. Ontario, C. Nova Scotia, D. Alberta. Correct answer, A. Manitoba. Question: what is a voter information card? A. Candidate list, B. Voting schedule, C. Form showing where and when to vote, D. Registration card. Correct answer, C. Form showing where and when to vote. Question: what are roles of courts and police? A. Courts make laws, police enforce. B. Courts enforce federal, police provincial. C. Courts enforce laws, police settle disputes. D. Courts settle disputes, police enforce laws. Correct answer, D. Courts settle disputes, police enforce laws. Check out our channel for full practice tests just like the real exam. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone preparing, and subscribe to stay on track.